Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name of French origin. This is also the name of a famous wine producer based in Burgundy, France. So how do you say it? In French, in France, it is said as Leflaive, 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 as in Domaine, Leflaive. For example, it'd be fine in English to say it as, Leflaive, Leflaive, or Leflaive if you can, all of which is from French, Leflaive. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names, including wine names, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.